Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb draw up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb draw up is to prepare or write something such as a document or a plan. The new sales rep is curious about the onboarding process. So, what's in store for me? It's actually quite straightforward. We already have a procedure we follow that was drawn up a long time ago. During their first week, the sales rep nearly has their first sale. That's great. It was lovely meeting you. Now, all I need to do is draw up the contract and get it to you to sign and we're done. The manager gives their assistant a task. I need you to draw up a list of our new clients and I need it by 2 p.m. Meaning 2 of draw up is when a vehicle arrives at a place and stops. He is visiting some family and gets a taxi. The car drew up outside the house. The kids were really excited to see their dad. They are looking out the window for when his car draws up. Meaning 3 of draw up is to move a chair so that it is closer to someone or something. All the kids listened closely at story time. They all drew up some chairs and gathered around. The manager goes through a proposal with one of his team. Draw up a chair and have a look through this. So let's look back on what we covered. Draw up can mean to prepare or write something such as a document or a plan. I'm drawing up plans for a new house build. When a vehicle arrives at a place and stops, the car draws up at its destination. To move a chair so that it is closer to someone or something. I drew up a chair to listen to the presentation. Where did you hear the phrasal verb draw up? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.